how to fix Snapchat error which says we couldn't find matching credentials. So if you're facing a problem with Snapchat login, then you can open up your Snapchat application and then you can go for the login page. And after login or while logging in, if you're getting a problem with the error or if you're getting the error code, then if it says that your credentials are not matching, then you have to check your credentials, like you have to check the username or the email address and then your password. So if you have entered the wrong username, then you can enter your email address instead of your username. So that might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't, then you can simply go for forgot your password, because if you have typed the incorrect password, then that might be a problem. So simply go for forgot your password and then you can reset or recover your password. So go for forgot your password, and here you will get two options. One is through phone or another one is through email. So you can reset your password, you will get the code to your phone or email, and then you can enter that code and then you can reset or recover. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to check your Wi-Fi or your internet connection. And even after checking that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your settings, go for apps and notifications, and you can open up your Snapchat on your settings, and then go for storage and cache, and then go for clear cache, and this might fix your problem. So that's it. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply restart your device. That's the last option. You can go for a restart and then restart your device and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.